Ever felt lost in the digital jungle of accounting software? You're not alone. Trying to navigate Xero and wondering, what the heck is my Xero ID, can be incredibly frustrating. Don't worry, you're not the only one who's ever felt this way. In this video, we're going to cut through the confusion and give you a crystal clear answer. So, grab your coffee, settle in, and let's unlock the mystery of your Xero ID together. Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting software that simplifies bookkeeping for businesses of all sizes. But like any powerful tool, it has its own unique language and login system. Understanding your Xero ID is fundamental to accessing your accounts, managing your finances, and ultimately, running your business smoothly. Imagine this. You're in a rush to reconcile a bank statement, but you can't remember your login credentials. Panic sets in. You frantically search your emails, your notes, even your desk drawers, all to no avail. This scenario plays out more often than you might think. That's why knowing your Xero ID is crucial. It's your key to the kingdom of your financial data. What is a Xero ID? Now let's get down to brass tacks. What exactly is a Xero ID? Simply put, your Xero ID is your unique username within the Xero platform. It's the identifier that Xero uses to recognize you as a specific user within your organization's Xero account. Think of it like your digital fingerprint, unique to you and essential for accessing your personalized Xero experience. How to find your Xero ID? Alright, you're probably wondering how to actually find this elusive Xero ID. Fear not, there are a few ways to uncover this vital piece of information. Check your Xero welcome email. When you first signed up for Xero, you should have received a welcome email. This email likely contains your initial login credentials, including your Xero ID. Take a moment to dig through your inbox. You might find this golden nugget hidden amongst the clutter. Contact your Xero administrator. If you're not the primary administrator for your Xero account, the administrator can provide you with your Xero ID. They can access user information within the Xero system and easily share your credentials with you. Log in to Xero. If you remember your password, If you can remember your password, you can usually determine your Xero ID by attempting to log in. If you enter an incorrect ID, Xero will often provide feedback, such as user ID not found. This can help you identify the correct ID. Tips for remembering your Xero ID. Once you've located your Xero ID, it's crucial to keep track of it. Here are a few simple tips to help you remember. Save it in a secure password manager. A password manager is a dedicated software or app that securely stores all your usernames and passwords. This eliminates the need to remember individual credentials and reduces the risk of security breaches. Write it down securely. Keep a physical record of your Xero ID in a secure location, such as a locked drawer or safe. Just make sure to keep this information confidential. Set a reminder in your calendar. Schedule regular reminders in your calendar to review your Xero login credentials. This will help prevent you from forgetting your ID in the future. Why is your Xero ID important? You might be thinking, why is this Xero ID thing such a big deal? Well, let me tell you, your Xero ID is the foundation of your Xero experience. It grants you access to your financial data. View and analyze your income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Track invoices, expenses, and bank transactions. Reconcile your accounts and ensure accuracy. Business insights. Generate reports and gain valuable insights into your business's financial performance. Identify trends, spot potential problems, and make informed decisions. Invoicing and payments. Create and send invoices to your customers. Receive and process payments efficiently. Manage your accounts receivable and accounts payable. Payroll and HR. Process employee payroll, manage employee records, and comply with relevant tax regulations. As you can see, your Xero ID is the key to unlocking the full potential of Xero. It empowers you to manage your finances effectively, streamline your business operations, and ultimately, achieve your business goals. Troubleshooting common Xero ID issues. Now let's address some common issues you might encounter with your Xero ID. User ID not found. This error message usually indicates that you've entered the incorrect Xero ID. Double-check your ID for any typos or capitalization errors. Incorrect password. If you're having trouble logging in, it could be due to an incorrect password. If you've forgotten your password, you can usually reset it by following the password reset instructions provided by Xero. Account locked. If you've entered your password incorrectly multiple times, your Xero account may be temporarily locked for security reasons. You may need to wait a short period before attempting to log in again. If you're still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to contact Xero support. They have a team of knowledgeable professionals who can assist you with any login problems or technical difficulties. Best practices for Xero ID security. Protecting your Xero ID is crucial to maintaining the security of your financial data. Here are some best practices to follow. Choose a strong password. Create a unique and complex password for your Xero account. Include a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid sharing your credentials. Never share your Xero ID and password with anyone else, except for authorized administrators within your organization. Log out of Xero when finished. Always log out of your Xero account when you're finished using it, especially if you're working on a shared computer. Be wary of phishing attempts. Be cautious of any emails or messages that ask you to provide your Xero login credentials. Xero will never ask you for your password via email or phone. By following these security best practices, you can protect your Xero account from unauthorized access and ensure the safety of your financial information. Understanding your Xero ID is a fundamental step in your journey with Xero. It's your gateway to accessing your financial data, managing your business operations, and making informed decisions. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can confidently navigate the Xero platform and unlock its full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.